Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some sweet and sticky teriyaki chicken thighs. You know, my favorite part of the chicken. And here I have about 2 tablespoons of my all-purpose seasoning, homemade. I'll link it down below. And then I'm adding about a teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of paprika, and then we're gonna go ahead and give that a mix. And now here's my chicken, right? I've already washed it with some vinegar and lemon, and now I'm pouring the seasoning on it, and then we're gonna go ahead and give that a little massage it in, get it all over the chicken. So when I'm doing my chicken like this, like in the bigger pieces, I prefer to put the seasoning like focus on each piece at a time. So I put the seasoning on the front, flip it over, put it on the back, and rub it in like that to ensure that every piece of chicken get some seasoning, especially when the skin is on it, right? So yeah, and I even go up under the skin too because I'm getting it everywhere. So here I have some teriyaki marinade and I'm gonna pour that on it. Now this is optional, Vibes fam. You do not have to put it on it, right? I was contemplating not putting it on it because sometimes I like to simplify the dishes if I can. So yeah, it's optional. You do not have to put it on it, right? Just season up your chicken regular, and then that's you. So, and by the way, this smells so good. I mean, good. So yeah, go ahead and massage that in, and then we are going to set that aside. But first I decided to flip them over, put it skin side down, because the skin, you know, that tend to be white, and I want it to really seep up and get down into that nice little teriyaki juice there, right? So here it is, all done. Look at it, look, it's so good and well seasoned. So here I have the rest of my ingredients, some sweet and sticky teriyaki sauce, and my chicken. So I'm gonna pour some oil in the pot and then put my chicken in. It is about 2 tablespoons of oil. You do not need too much oil. So yeah, Vibes fam, why I say you do not need too much oil in the pot, because we're trying to get them to be brown. If you put too much oil in the pot, then it's just not going to be as brown, right? It's going to take some time, or it's just not gonna really get there. So just a little bit of oil, and then leave them to brown. Look at that beautiful color right there. Gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. So and on medium heat, and you can leave it for about 10 to 12 minutes on each side, right? So yeah, go ahead and flip them over, and then we are going to make it soak, because you really need for most of the cooking to take place at this point in time, right? When you are getting them nice and brown. So be sure not to have your fire too high, because you need them to get nice and brown, but at the same time to soak and to be thoroughly cooked. So go ahead and flip it over. And look at beautiful, look at nice and brown, look at you, say, hey, I am good and pretty brown skin girl, chicken thigh. So yeah, Vibes fam, this is it. That's the color that you are going for, right? So not too much oil, and then you will be good. So here I just pour the sweet sticky teriyaki sauce into a bowl, so that, you know, I can just do this. Oh, just pour it all over those chicken thighs. Just lather them up. Lather them up with that sauce. By the way, I used a total of 3 packs of the sauce, right? So yeah, and this is 6 nice big juicy chicken thighs. Yes, 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 yes. So we want to go ahead and just get that sauce all over the chicken. So this is after you have the chicken in the pot soaking or frying for about 20 minutes total, right? 20 to 22 minutes, because remember the fire not high, right? And then now when it's done, then you pour the sauce on it and ensure to get it all over each piece. So now with these sauce, trust me, by themselves, not so much, they're not so hot. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Well, for me, the sauce don't make it by itself, right? So you have to tweak it a bit just to get it to be perfection. And Vibes Fam, when I say this, please trust me. So if you don't have the sweet sticky teriyaki sauce, you can just get regular teriyaki sauce and then add some honey to it or sugar, right? That is fine. And just taste it as you're mixing it along. Just taste it and ensure that it is the taste that is perfect for you. So then after you add the sugar, cover this after you lather it up with the sauce and cover it for about 5 minutes and let it soak with that sauce. Beautiful, just gorgeous. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Look at these beautiful, just absolutely glistening. I mean, what? Like your eye, listen, I must have Vaseline rub on these. Oh, them nice and shine and pretty. So, no. Looking so good. Looking so good. And Vibes Fam tastes even better than it look. I promise you. It tastes so good. Like, this is also one of those recipes that is a must try, right? If you don't get the sweet sticky teriyaki sauce like packaged by itself, just get some teriyaki sauce, right? And then just add some sugar or some honey or add both. And then taste it, mix it up and taste it, and you're good to go, right? But yeah, Vibes Fam, by the way, after you add the sugar and then you pour the sauce on it, you don't necessarily have to cover the pot. But I wanted to ensure that a little bit of steam run through the chicken, with the sauce on it. So that is why I did it that way. But yeah, Vibes Fam, look at it. Look at beautiful. So Vibes Fam, thank you so much for watching as usual and for hanging out with me. Please go ahead and follow me on Instagram and like this video. God bless you. Thank you.